Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I went hiking and I'll be showing you all the activities that took place.
Yeah.
At this point we're already at the top of the mountain and these are other couple members. Some people were taking pictures while we were waiting for some people to climb up the mountain. Then this is just a view of the mountain top. Yes, there are bushes at the top of the mountain. So later on I had to show you myself very well. So this is me just trying to show you what I wore, my outfit, the outfit I wore for hiking. This is how it looks like. Then this time around we had to enter into the bush because we wanted to go inside to see there was another rocky area there. So we're just going there. We entered inside the bush and there were trees and I was actually scared, but then I wasn't the only one. So we kept on going and finally we got to the other part, which this is the place. This is how it looks like. Yes, and everyone was already there. So this was how it looked like, and some people were just taking pictures, others were just doing one thing or the other. Then this is me. I don't know why I just kept showing myself, like I just kept showing myself. So after we got to the second part, we had to go inside again to the next part. I wanted to just wanted to keep going, and we just kept going. Then when we got to the place, we found out that the rocks there were not much, and the space will not be enough for all of us. So we just had to just sit for a while. After that, then we came back to the previous place we left, and this is a video of while we were returning back. So we had to come back to the second part, which is the middle part. So that was where we stayed all through, and that was where we did other things we wanted to do. And this is just a video showing how the place looks like. There are rocks on the road, there are trees. After playing games up there, it was time to go home, and then this is a video I made while coming down the mountain, and this is the way everything looks like, and I just had to show you a view of how everything looked like. So there are bushes, there are grasses, there are trees also on the mountain top, and this is just the view I got. There are houses, other mountains from afar. I could see them, and it was fun all through. It was really, really fun. I really enjoyed everything, all the activities that happened. If you're in Ekiti, one of these days you should also go hiking. It is really, really fun, and the most beautiful thing about Ekiti is that there are many mountains there. So you should try to hike one day. And I took pictures. I took plenty pictures. I also took pictures of my friends, and I really, really enjoyed all the activities that happened while hiking. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment on my video, share this video, and please turn on notification button so as to receive notification when next I upload a new video. Thank you all.